Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open the LPad on your phone and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound *4636 pound *, and this is the testing menu. Here you can see some phone information, you can see some usage statistics of apps, and you can also find some Wi-Fi information here. Could be useful though. So the next code will be *pound *426 pound *, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can see information about your Wi-Fi connection, so it could be useful too. I guess the next code will be *pound *225 pound *. This is the calendar info menu. If you have any calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here. And the last code for today will be *pound *06 pound, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.